I just showed to the audience here the last service design project I did for the Italian public body, that is the regional authority, and in order to make them to structure and to make visible the new idea they have for renewing the job centers, the public job centers. They have an idea to switch from providing money to the job centers for providing normal services to unemployed or other people to an idea of a person-centric view that makes people receiving money from the public body and choosing which kind of service they need to improve their job or to improve their knowledge and find a new job. So they had no idea on how to communicate it, they had no idea on how to make it. They don't either know what's the service design, so I was called for helping them in communication, since they see design as a potential help for communication, but they don't see design as a potential for service implementation. I worked with them for 1 year and I helped them to move from the communication to the service identity and to the service implementation and the service quality.